This is a brand new website that we never talked about earlier on this channel, but it actually pays pretty well. And it's absolutely free! Now don't worry, you will not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites or film any videos whatsoever. It's a lot easier, and it can literally be done in less than 25 minutes, simply by copying and pasting. Follow all the steps from this video if you want to make this work, and you must be patient. Watch every second of this video and stay tuned until the end to maximize your results. And after that, you will need to take action, because this isn't just going to fall from the sky. You will need to put in some work. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can see that this website will pay you $100 per person you refer to it. So, you just need to refer 5 people to make $500. And I'm about to show you how you can do this in less than 25 minutes. I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can promote it to make $500 again and again for free. And this has nothing to do with social media, so you don't need any social media followers for this. And you will once again not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites. So let us begin with step number 1. You will need to come over to eClincher.com. This is over at eClincher.com. eClincher is a top-ranked social media management platform. This is the place where people, business owners, and entrepreneurs come together in social media accounts managed for them. So let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, you're running a huge business, like a restaurant, and you're about 40 to 50 years old. You're busy managing your business, managing your restaurants, and you're busy working around your business every single day. But you know the power of social media, and you know how many new customers you attract through social media. And nowadays, every single business out there needs an online business profile. And business owners know that, but they don't have the time to run their social media accounts themselves. And that's why they turn to websites like eClincher, and then pay eClincher and different platforms or similar platforms to manage their social media accounts and to grow those accounts for them. And that's why this works so well. A lot of business owners and entrepreneurs use these tools to outsource the work. And if you use eClincher, not only you will get all of your accounts managed for you, but you will be guaranteed a boost in your social media and grow your reach across different channels, which is really, really good. So business owners will not only get their accounts managed, but they will even experience growth on a regular, weekly, and monthly basis. So for the step number 1, I highly recommend you just go over to eClincher.com. Go through this first page or read more about eClincher to find out more about how it works. You will be able to see that they have been featured in Forbes, ABC, The Huffington Post, The Fox News, and many others. So just go through the website to learn more about them. And that's it for step number 1. Step number 2. Once you've read about eClincher, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. And right here where it says eClincher, I want you to click on Partner Affiliates, and you will become a partner of eClincher in order to make hundreds of dollars. You will see exactly how it works. Grow with eClincher. If you start promoting eClincher and you can get customers that are interested in getting their social media accounts managed, you will get $100 per customer you refer, which is $500 for 5 people. And I'm literally going to show you how you can get it all done in less than 25 minutes. Once again, as you can see, it says Get Rewarded. And the text says, turn your online presence into profit with up to $100 per paid eClincher subscription when a client uses your link to subscribe. So you will get your special affiliate link, which you will need to promote in a way which I'm about to share with you. And whenever someone uses it to sign up to eClincher, you will make $100 once again. 5 people and you have $500. And the best thing is that you can do this for unlimited times. you can do it again and again and basically have income which you can rely on every single month. So for step number 2, you will need to apply to their affiliate program by coming over to this affiliate page. And right here where it says apply here, just click that button now. You will need to enter your valid email address in this box and enter your full name in these 2 boxes. If you have a website, you can leave a link to it right here. If you don't own a website, you can just use your YouTube channel URL, even if you have no videos on it or you have no subscribers whatsoever. Just use that link and paste it right here where it says website, and that will work. For the company name, you can also leave that blank if you don't own a company. Select your country, and you can see that they pretty much accept people from all over the world. All of these countries are available, so if your country is on the list, then this will work for you. As you can see, all of the countries are available. On the box below that, you will enter your phone number, and in this box, create a password. Leave some of your social media links, agree to their terms of service and privacy policy by clicking on this link right here. You don't have to sign up as their email subscriber, and I don't prefer to do that. So you always leave this blank and you don't have to fill in this box. And after that, just hit sign up. You will wait for a couple of hours to get accepted, so you know you can do pretty much anything while waiting for the email from eClincher. And once you see that you've got accepted into their affiliate program, you will be able to grab that special affiliate link and start promoting this website. Once again, every person that signs up through your affiliate link, you will make $100. You don't have to create anything, you don't have to sell anything, and you don't have to provide any service. Just share your link, and you collect your profits, as simple as that. And now for the last step. Once you have been accepted into their partner program, and once you can grab your affiliate link, which is probably going to be in a couple of hours, you just need to start driving traffic. And the best free traffic source which you can use are freelancing websites. Again, don't panic. You don't have to sell any freelancing services. You will not have to provide any services, and you don't even have to list anything for sale on these freelancing websites. You will see exactly how you will use it to attract customers for eClincher and to make $500 again and again. So you can use freelancing websites like peopleperhour.com, Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Upwork.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, and the list goes on. There are a lot of different freelancing websites out there which you can leverage, and the more of them you use, the more money you will make. And I'm going to use peopleperhour.com as an example, but once again, you can use any freelancing platform you prefer. You will come over to this freelancing website and you will go to the search bar, and I want you to search for the service called social media management. So type it in the box, and that's going to give you everyone that's providing the service. As you can see on People Per Hour alone, there are over 1,200 different results and over 1,200 people making money by providing social media management. And you can see that they're definitely making a lot of money. So they're definitely making a lot of money by providing this service. And now you can help them because they're probably spending hours and hours working for all of those customers. They probably work 10 hours a day. And now you can help them by providing eClincher, which is basically going to do all of the work for them for less than $100 per month. So for them, it's like up to $100 a month, and that can get all of the work done for them. So not only will they have a lot more time, but they will be able to help more clients, and they will be able to provide a lot more services and ultimately make a lot more money. So you're helping them grow their business by working less. And that's why these guys will be thankful when you offer them eClincher through your affiliate link. And you can see that this person is not only making money by providing social media management service. For instance, this guy is also making a lot of money with over 1,200 feedbacks at a price of $15. And you can see that all of these people are making a lot of money by providing social media management services. And you can contact them and you can tell them that you have the platform which is going to do all of the work for them because they probably don't know about eClincher. And they don't know how they can use it to get all of the work done for them so they don't have to do it manually. But you must be careful. You don't just want to go in the contact page and just type in the message, "Hey, here's my affiliate link, sign up if you want to." Because that way, you will immediately get banned from all of these freelancing websites. It doesn't work like that, but rather than doing that, you want to take them to peopleperhour.com or any freelancing platform you're using. You want to tell them, for example, "I have a website that is basically going to do all of the work for you, and it's going to help you make a lot more money with their services. If you want to learn more about it, you can email me here or you can DM me on Instagram. And once they contact you, then you can give them your affiliate link." But admins of Fiverr or freelancer.com will notice that you're just offering your affiliate link, and that's obviously against their policy, and they will remove you from the website or they will ban you from the website. So don't make that mistake, because if you do it like that, this will not work and you will not make any money, plus you will get banned from those freelancing websites. So you really need to avoid making mistakes. And once again, all you need to do is to grab your affiliate link from eclincher.com. Come to some freelancing website, search for social media management, find all of these people providing the social media management service, and offer them eClincher through your affiliate link. They will be thankful because you're helping them and you're providing them with a platform which is going to do all of the work for them, and it will allow them to make a lot more money. And it's proven that they have a high budget, and it's proven that they have the money to invest into eClincher. And that's why this is a lot easier to sell than any other product. That's why this is 100% beginner friendly, and it can be done in less than 25 minutes. You can contact 50 people in less than 20 minutes. Just create one high converting message, copy and paste it to 50 people in less than 20 minutes, and you just need 5 of them to buy to make $500. Once again, you can do it again and again for unlimited times. Even if you sell only one per day, that's still $100 a day for less than 20 minutes of work from your computer, tablet, laptop, or even your smartphone device. So make sure to take advantage of this website. Once again, it's called eclincher.com, and their affiliate program will pay you $100 for each customer you refer. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.